So while I'm waiting for that hole saw bit to come through, I'm also gonna make a bike ramp. So I made this one as well. I wanna make something like this, but for my 2-year-olds. And it's not gonna have that big of a kick. So I have a bunch of scrap wood that I should be able to build this with, but I'm going back and forth a little bit because I obviously don't wanna make it too extreme, but I don't wanna make it too boring either. So I'm not gonna make a kick, so I don't need plywood. So that's good. But how big do I make it? I mean, this is 6 inches, and that should be decently high enough for a 2-year-old. You think like, oh, 6 inches is not very much. 6 inches is huge. It's 19 inches. Even a foot is pretty high, but I also don't want to make it too boring. I'll just keep it at 6 inches. If it gets boring quick, I guess in a couple months, I'm gonna be making a bigger one. Here to there. This is when I really wish I had a table saw, but we got a plastic foldable table and a circular saw, and we're gonna make it work. Looks good. Let's get old Reliable back out here. I'm just gonna do what feels comfortable until it doesn't, and then maybe switch. Okay. Got pretty far there. That was good. Oh. Okay, let's go. My eardrums are absolutely blown, but pretty close. And it's decently straight. But even right towards the beginning of the ramp, still just thick enough to fit my 2x4. So it really just comes down to, I want 16 inches or 19 inches. I'm just gonna go 19. There's one at the very bottom here to hold it, the bottom of the side planks, and the rest of the 2x4s are on the top. But I just got some 2-inch truss screws. I had to get my wussy towel out. Here. There's such a glare from the sun and from the nails. It's making me blind. I'm starting to see dots. I can't even see my right eye right now. So I had to move in here. So it'll be off the ground. So I'm just trying to get as close as I can to the front while being able to maintain, because I want to start supporting the actual ramp part. So I got my first 2 in. So I just need to cut a couple more 19 inchers, and then I'll be good as gold. We'll squeeze that in perfect. On to the next. Screw in one on one side, flip it, screw in one other. This helps the flush, or these just fit better than others. But that felt way smoother. All right. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Do you know why these are stuck together? Here, can you stick it in? Okay, ready? Just.
Dada, she great.
Yeah. It's a little skinnier than I wanted it to be. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely don't want that. That's not ideal either though, because there's gaps here.
This is Dada.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. So I may have not found perfect piece of scrap wood for it. The thickness is perfect. The thickness is only about ½ an inch, but it's sturdy. I don't even know what this is considered. Not too thick, so the transition from road ramp isn't that big of a deal. On the side, we just have to get Mama's permission. Huh? Yeah.
Dada. How did you get?
I just put the girls down for a nap, so hopefully this doesn't wake them up. Like a glove. Let's go. They do come out, but only this much. These screws on the side give me a good marking of where that 2x4 is at. Just keep it in the middle of those. That is our awesome little ramp. Not even a half-day build. 6 inches is gonna be plenty high. It's honestly probably pretty high. Oh. No. Hey, Kiki. Whoa! Happy. Whoa! No, speak it louder. Sua vez. Mia, vai rápido. Vai. Uou! Yeah! Rápido. Vai, whoa! Yeah.
Whoa, look at her go!
Couple months away.